Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create a mind map as a board for your whiteboard presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, so head over to your account on Miro. Let me just delete that mind map here and create a new one. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to the home section, and here you can use one of these templates, for example, to create a board with a blank board, a flowchart, and also a mind map. So you may use that access here, or if you'd like to explore the entire library of templates here on Miro, you can use, for example, that button too, and there navigate to the mind map. So I am going to use that access here, click into mind map, and after that the default mind map will be loaded. Now, of course, you can customize it and edit it as much as you like. Let me just zoom in a bit. Currently, that frame here, that mind map, well, there's actually no frame, so let me add a frame really quickly, just like that. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click into the given element and customize and edit it. So let's assume you have that central aspect here. You can simply click into the text and I don't know, we can leave it at problem or issue or bug or something like that. And yeah, simply add more shapes to your mind map, depicting, for example, sub items or thoughts. For example, you may connect these by clicking into one of these dots, left click into it, and drag the dot where you'd like to place the second thought or part of your mind map, just like that. And after that, select your shape. I will go with a square like this. Now you can enter your text here, like for instance, if we're talking about the problem, you can name it solution 1, for instance. You can resize that element, of course. You can leave comments, you can customize, you can leave comments here, of course. You can customize the text, apply bold letters, italic letters, change the font size, the font itself, change the shape again. So we can go with, I don't know, a rectangle, or with a circle, or with, I don't know the name of that shape here, speech bubble. Sorry, excuse my poor English here. And that's basically it. You can also change the outline color, the filling color, and to change the thickness, the opacity of each element. And yeah, keep adding more of these thoughts. For example, that's thought number 2. You may add a second connection by clicking into one of these dots here and place your next thought somewhere there, and repeat the same process, guys. So as you can see, it is really not complicated. So that's how you create a mind map. Let me just delete these, or I can leave these elements. So that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.